Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the WorldPay SOAP API. The WorldPay SOAP API is a payment processing interface that allows merchants to integrate their e-commerce websites with WorldPay's payment gateway. To get started, you will need to have a WorldPay account and obtain a set of API credentials, including a client ID and a client secret. First, you need to understand the basic concepts of the WorldPay SOAP API. The API uses the Simple Object Access Protocol to exchange data between your website and the WorldPay payment gateway. The API supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. To start using the WorldPay SOAP API, you need to create a SOAP client in your programming language of choice. This can be done using a library or framework that supports SOAP, such as Java or Python. You will need to import the necessary libraries and create a new instance of the SOAP client, passing in your API credentials. Next, you need to authenticate with the WorldPay API using your client ID and client secret. This is done by calling the authenticate method of the SOAP client, passing in your credentials. If the authentication is successful, you will receive an authentication token that you can use to make subsequent API calls. Once you are authenticated, you can start making payment requests to the WorldPay API. This is done by calling the make payment method of the SOAP client, passing in the payment details, such as the amount, currency, and payment method. The API will then process the payment and return a response indicating whether the payment was successful or not. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly when using the WorldPay SOAP API. This can be done by catching any exceptions that are thrown by the SOAP client and handling them accordingly. You should also implement retry logic to handle any temporary errors that may occur. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use HTTPS to encrypt the data being exchanged between your website and the WorldPay payment gateway. You should also use a secure protocol, such as TLS, to protect against eavesdropping and tampering. Finally, it is recommended to test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. This can be done by using the WorldPay test environment to simulate payment requests and verify that the responses are correct. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate the WorldPay SOAP API into your e-commerce website and start processing payments securely and efficiently.